Good morning, guys. Guys, you were both charged with criminal cases. Mr. Araujo, you were charged with public lewdness. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. And Ms. Serrato, you were charged with possession of marijuana. You are facing, and also public lewdness. You're facing up to a year in jail on the lewdness, and you're facing up to 6 months in jail on the marijuana. Guys, we're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you. And on Araujo, he only has a one case, not the also POM, right? Okay, all right.
On December 2nd, 2024, officers were on patrol when he observed a vehicle parked on the dead end of a public roadway, and the officer observed two adults, the defendant, Serrato, and co-defendant Araujo, having intercourse in the backseat of the vehicle. Upon stopping the occupant, the officer observed the co-defendant's genitals being removed from the defendant.
Okay, pause. This is what we call a 2-for-1 special in the courtroom. Public indecency and marijuana possession in one stop? That's like handing the cops a please arrest us invitation. But here's a question for you guys. Should getting caught being intimate in your own parked car really count as a public offense? Or should privacy still apply even in mobile settings? Drop your thoughts below.
His lower body as he got off her as she was laid down in the back seat. The officer also detected a strong odor of marijuana emitting from the interior of the vehicle, and the defendant, Serrato, admitted to just having smoked along with being in possession of marijuana. She advised that all 7.6 grams of marijuana in the vehicle belonged to her, and the co-defendant stated he does not smoke marijuana. Both admitted to having sexual intercourse.
Got it. All right, guys, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond not to do this again in outside. I mean, great, but not where everybody can see it. Come on. You understand?
Sure.
All right, guys. How old are you, Mr. Serrato or Mr. Araujo?
30.
You're 30. What do you do for a living?
Construction.
What kind of money do you make a month? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? How much money do you make a month? A month?
So the judge just found probable cause, which means there's enough evidence to officially move forward with charges. Not a conviction, just the green light to keep the case rolling. And notice how she doubles down on the no more marijuana rule? Judges often do this to prevent repeat offenses before trial. But here's what I'm wondering. Is this judge being firm for accountability or a little too parrot mode with that tone? What do you think?
Oh, a month. 16, 20, probably like 24 to 30. Like 3,000 probably.
Okay, do you have children? All right, well, we're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer, okay? I'm also ordering you as a condition of your bond not to use. No more marijuana. I'm telling you, okay, just don't. Also with you, no more marijuana. I'm finding probable cause in your case as well. You have the same conditions, no outside, you know what? No marijuana as well. What do you do for a living, babe? How much money do you make a month?
I got those numbers. I'd like one check.
Where do you work?
I work at Memorial City Mall.
Okay, where in Memorial City?
Store gas.
Guess? Okay. Would you like to fill out an application for an appointed lawyer?
Sorry?
Do you want to fill out an application for a court-appointed lawyer? Okay, I'll have you fill out an application. We're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. Do not leave until both of you sign our bond conditions, and then we'll have you go. Okay? So first, you're going to meet with Victoria. We're going to have you sign a reset, and then we'll have you both take a seat in the jury box, and then we'll excuse you here momentarily. All right? Please. Yes, on both of them, no marijuana, no fornicating out in public. No, you.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Whoa, this just escalated fast. We've gone from public indecency to full-blown terroristic threat charges. That's a felony in most states, and it's no joke. Threatening to harm someone, especially a family member, crosses into serious criminal territory, even if no weapons actually used. But here's the thing. Should someone's past bond violations automatically strip them of the right to bail? Or do you believe everyone deserves another chance? Let's talk about that in the comments.
You now have picked up a new case, Mr. Arispe. You now stand charged with terroristic threat or a family or a household member. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Officer was dispatched to a residence in response to a family disturbance. The complainant, the defendant's stepmother, stated that the defendant was upset because he was owed money. The defendant told other members of the complainant's family, if they don't have my money by tonight, I'm going to kill them, as well as I'm going to send my people to shoot them up. The defendant also told the complainant directly, if you don't have my money by tonight, you are going to see. A family member of the defendant and complainant stated that he had seen the defendant walking around with a pistol in his pocket, and the complainant knows that the defendant owned several rifles as well.
You were on bond for unlawful carrying of a weapon. Did we order him not to have one?
Yes, Judge.
Regardless, you've picked up a new case. What happens now is I'm going to revoke your bond in the first place and you will stay with me. I will appoint you a lawyer today, Mr. Arispe, so we can talk about how to go forward, but I am ordering you now not to have any contact with these people. Do you understand?
Sir.
And I'm going to tell you, you pick up a third case, I'm going to go bonkers on the bonds. Do you understand?
Sir.
I'm going to do everything in my power to protect this public at all cost. All right, goes with you. Do you mind appointing him?